We'll see what it's hitting for. Vinegar, not my friend at all. But I ain't never used yeast in my life, so don't know what the hell is gonna rise about a salad, but whatever. What is up, y'all? It is Monday the 23rd. Just finished up my client at about 3:30, 4 o'clock, something around that. So we finna head to the dealership. This is the fit, little Nike set. Nice brown little moment right here. So yeah, we're heading to CarMax. I want to get my car appraised just to see how much they're gonna give me for it. And then if they have the car that I'm looking for, I may test drive it. But I'm gonna take that with me. He fucking that shit up.
I can tell you my problems, meditating my silence. But I keep pushing my pen, rotating my stylus. Brokenness feeling like sin, now no breath, low dollar. Used to be left on red, now all the girls go holler. Now all the girls go.
Alright, y'all, so we're in the Atlas that I like. I gotta make sure this mug got Apple CarPlay. Jesus. All right, y'all, we just pulled up at Pop's house. I just left CarMax and I'm starving. I have not eaten all day. Let's eat. All right, y'all, it is Thursday, the 26th, I believe. Yeah. I'm headed to Houston to hang out with my best friend. We're not doing too much today. I did my first client at 9 o'clock. He came a little late, but did him at 9 o'clock. Now I'm headed to this donut shop to get some kolaches. And then I'm going to head to Houston. Actually, that's a lie. I gotta pick up a package from this store that I ordered from Amazon. You just almost fell. All right, y'all, I had to park because I could not focus. So, I'm about to get donuts, well, kolaches. And I'm gonna head to Harvest Market in our neighborhood to pick up some Amazon packages. Then I'm gonna head to Houston. Me and my best friend are about to study for like the next, it's 12 o'clock, 4 hours, give or take. And then we're gonna get some food. And then I'm headed to PJ Tucker's store in Houston because they have a happy hour between 5 and 7. So I might get me a thing or two, maybe. I don't need to be buying nothing, but, and then after that, I'm gonna head back home. Pretty simple day, pretty simple day. But let me go get these donuts real quick. All right, y'all, so I got the food. I did end up getting donuts. I got a dozen donut holes and then 2 sausage cheese. Oh my God. And then I got 2 sausage and cheese, 2 sausage cheese and jalapeno kolaches. Yeah, so now we're headed to my best friend's crib. All right, I'm gonna see y'all at my buddy's crib. All right, y'all, we at the best friend crib. She got a brand new couch. Come on. Come on.
With my own money.
Own money. Bark. Yeah, we like this. We like this. On this episode, I'm just playing. All right, y'all. It is the 27th. It's Thursday. That's a lie. It's Friday. My bad. Brain fart.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Ran over to HEB. I saw this salad on TikTok a couple weeks ago. Just been lazy and ain't about the stuff to make it. So, bought it today. We gonna see what it's hitting for. Vinegar, not my friend at all. But, and I ain't never used yeast in my life, so don't know what the hell is gonna rise about a salad, but whatever. Oh, and I need to put y'all on now because the HEB guac, spicy, and the fresh sea salt chips. Yeah, every time.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
All right, what is good, you guys? It is the 25th. I ain't touch base with y'all in a minute, but let me show y'all. I got a new desk and I set it up. So this is my little desk, little something. I wanted this on this side, but it didn't end up working out. Got my little chair. This chair, y'all, is comfortable as heck. Little vanity mirror setup. So y'all follow me over there on TikTok, cause yeah. And then I got a couple of things from Hobby Lobby. So I want to put like a little, I was going to do like tapestry, but don't think I want that no more. So it's going to be, I'm going to make some type of something to go on my wall. So while I'm recording on TikTok, you give them something to look at. Spent like 99, oh no, I spent $100.02. It's not too bad, y'all. It was a lot, but I got this like netting type thing. This is gonna be the base of what I make, and then I'm gonna put other stuff on top of that. Then I got this, which I think is so cool. I'm gonna do something really cool with this. And then I just got like a bunch of different leaf type things. I got this, and then this one. Then I got this one, which I really like this one. And then I got these little letters. So right now I have the one that says Jaden on my wall. So this one's gonna hang, it says Royce. Y'all, I was gonna legally change my name to Royce. I love my middle name. I don't like my first name.
We don't care. Let me tell you, we don't care.
These were $11.99 and then 50% off, so they're $6 each. I'm gonna put these on this wall where my vanity is. Yeah, I might do that first. All right, y'all, this is the process. It's pretty late, several days later, and I'm editing the video. Never made an outro. Y'all thought somebody was trying to get me. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I definitely had a good time making it. Make sure you guys let me know down below if you guys like this type of content, this little week-long vlogs, little vloggy vlogs. As I say, always make sure you guys tune into my social medias. That way you're connected with me and you're up to date on everything that I do when I do it. YouTube is like a bi-weekly type thing. So if you guys tune into my Instagram, TikToks, you'll be up to date. I hope you guys are ready for the next video. It's gonna be juicy. But as always, peace.